Putting up the Hello Kitty. Do-do-do-do-do.
Equal.
The fucking, that one biome needs like a lot to have someone live there. Oh, hi, welcome back. Espresso's visiting the island today. Be sure to go say hi. Yeah. I'd like to give you this friendship bouquet, but you already have a lot of them. God damn it. So I'll hang on to it for now. There we go again.
The meta's expensive, I agree.
Do you need something today? Oh, right. I'm doing a quest thing, I guess. For friend in need. Question about friend in need. Have you done that? And how does it function?
What's quest is that? I don't remember.
The one for My Sweet Piano. I'm trying to figure out how the fuck I triggered this quest, if it's like a time thing or not.
Friend Indeed?
No, when they're...
Oh, that one's a melody quest.
Yeah, I know it's a melody quest. I'm trying to figure out, did I achieve this through level up, or...
it's unlocking a new character. It's kind of day-based. So each day, there's different... Like,
well, I know that.
Part 1. Part 2, there's a different part that happens. But it unlocks the character for you.
Yeah. Can I do this? It wants me to make cinnamon rolls.
No.
Do I need the oven to be in stage 2 to do cinnamon rolls?
What about oven?
Fuck. I need the oven to be bigger for... I got a daily quest to make cinnamon rolls.
Do I need the oven?
Huh?
Oh, also, when you get to be best friends with Chococat, you're gonna need a lot of resources to build a crafting table for
Shit.
it with him that you can put in your own house.
I mean, yeah, it could be worse. How the fuck am I gonna upgrade this damn oven?
Him, or use gift.
Hey, Mimo.
Have him help you build everything first, so you don't have to go back.
Oh, I have achieved the Mermaid of Fire upgrade.
Hmm. But yeah, one character making things, go around with another character collecting things, third character gifting things. But it's usually the other way around. Usually I gift first, and then but sometimes the gifting and the making is at the same time.
Surprise soda. Okay.
How's your friendship with everybody?
It's going. Okay, I need to make you more gifts. I'll make more books. How come I gotta make all of, like, you can't just find shit for Top Hat. You gotta make the shit. You gotta make all the shit. Top Hat. For his gifts, he can't just find something. He can't just find something.
Oh. For him, the best gift you can give him, you won't be able to get the recipe for it until you're friends with the crowd people, which I don't think you've gotten to that part yet.
Nope.
Until then, a computer, which you can get by being a good enough friend with him, you can get the computer recipe. Or
the computer is something I give to people?
But once you get the computer, that's the next best gift you can give them. But you need to be really good friends with Choco Cat.
I have the computer.
You can make computers?
I can make a computer, yeah.
He likes those. Not his favorite, but he likes those. His favorite, as I said, you won't be able to get just yet. Same with Little Challenge's favorite.
I make him book.
You're not able to get it. No, the 3-star?
I need more sparks. How do I make a lamb plush?
You can't until you're good friends with Sweet Melody.
So I have these recipes.
Or...
No, I have recipes for these little lambs and I want to make them. They're so cute looking. Chocolate books for you. I have books for you. Big challenges.
You have the meditation books or whatever the fuck you like.
That resilience book, yeah. Do you have a quest for me right now? What the fuck?
That's
also,
not the best one.
I can just give people.
But it's the best one for Haunted.
Whole ass computer. Okay.
Huh? What?
Who has the quest for me? Is it the big challenges? Big challenges?
People?
Oh my god! Like I just got big challenges to level 5, I think, and there's a quest now. There you are. We were just discussing the many repairs you've made to the island. You put so much work into restoring the facilities and my memories. Go go! I'm impressed. You work fast. Go go go! It is good because there's still a bunch to do. Go go go! And Tapa says you're the one I ought to recruit. What are we doing? Go! We have a real test of your strength ahead of us. Go go! An epic trial sort of deal, so they're real tricky. Go go go! However, together we got this. No stress. Uh-oh, are you Sure, what are you? We have to reconnect the resort and the spooky swamp. That sounds like a great idea. So does that mean that, like, this is a quest line where I'm gonna be rebuilding those fucking stairs? Wait, what the fuck were you thinking? I admit I thought
some stairs and some walkways around the island, yeah.
I admit I thought it was gonna be something more dangerous. Go! I was a popsicle for a long time. I have to work my step up back to some things. That's not exactly comforting. No, don't worry, Top Hat. Go. We have lots more friends to help Mom. Just someone shut the door. Go. To get started, you can help find supplies. I'll drop the pans. Okay, I can do that. You're so helpful. Thank you for assisting, my friend. Go! This is everything we need. Go. Bring me the supplies when you have them. Go. We'll repair the resort bridge to the spooky swamp. Why is it called Bridge Too Short? Why is it called that? Oh god.
It's that first bridge that's broken, you know? What do you mean, why is it called that?
Oh, I thought how this was gonna end was like the bridge would be too short and we'd be all set. What do I need?
It's several blocks.
I need wood blocks and
It's
sparks.
expensive. Or it gets to be expensive, so. Also, you're gonna want a lot of mechanisms to see.
I'm gonna want what?
But also keep some the mechanism thingies,
Yeah.
the gizmos or whatever. Keep some normal gizmos though. You'll want them, but you'll also want a lot of mechanisms. But
Why does my game think I need to craft
gizmos?
stack stones? What is that for later?
Hmm?
The game's like highlighting stacked stones and I don't know why.
Stacked stones is something Pomperines girl
Yeah.
friend wants to give
Go.
at some point.
Bring me the supplies we have. Oh right, shit. Give you some.
We
This
have
is
any
everything
visitors
we
coming?
need to repair the bridge. I think Espresso's here. Go. Meet me near the gate and we'll get this done. I hate little challenges. And it's probably not for the reason you think. He's meant to be a 2D character. He's way too 3D. He has eyes on one side of his fucking head. It freaks me the fuck out.
You hate who?
Big challenges. He doesn't look right when he turns.
Sissy?
It looks horrifying. Big challenges scares me. He's not meant to be 3D.
All I can understand with that was big challenges scares me. I'm sorry, everything else literally cut out.
He's a 2D character, and he's in 3D. It looks horrifying. That looks like a lot of work. Go! Working together, we'll take it in no time. Go! You ready to repair the bridge? Okay. Go! Let's get to it! Yay! Bridge
Do you have
repair!
any visitors, sis?
Espresso.
Hmm?
Espresso.
Okay. I need to up my friendship with Espresso. So.
It looks magnificent, just like new, and it wasn't dangerous at
Doesn't
all.
want to live here yet.
No! Not bad if I say so myself. Oh, hellos. I don't know if I like the new bridge. Will I ever not? Broken bridge was spookier. Faster to the cafe, though. I guess you're right. And you did do good work. I can live with it. I love it. This makes it so much easier to visit the spooky swamp. I can't wait to go for walks and see you, Karomi. How the fuck were you getting over there earlier? Yeah, that'll be nice. Come on, I'll show you the nature preserve. Has Melody never seen it? What the fuck? Oh, fair warning, we have lots more to repair still.
At this point, Jerome, or I haven't seen Melody visit Jerome, just decide a heads up.
But I guess that's enough for today. More repairs? Just more bridges, I hope. Go! For now, we'll work up to bigger projects. I remain somewhat nervous.
I probably have that bridge unlocked for at least a week, so if that tells you anything.
Oh, don't worry, it's only gonna get stuck up for ages on another mountain. Go! Let's relax on the beach, we've earned it today. Okay, bye, big challenges. What's up, Top? I worry about big challenges. Right now, the work he's doing is relatively safe, but what if he gets a wild idea? He'll be fine. Thank you. I still worry, but it's good to know you're looking out for him. I don't know what I'd do without a friend like you. See you around Big Adventures Park. Why is he named Big Adventures? Who gave him this fucking name? Oh. Bippy!
I don't know. Maybe they gave it like the name themselves. So like...
I turned into a mermaid when I touched the water now. Hey, mister! What the fuck was that? I saw what you were doing. No. That's a bad boy thing. We don't do that, mister. Oh, I was hoping to get something like this. You're the best.
Welcome to the club.
Why are you trying to piss on shit, buddy?
Because he's a bad boy.
I know. I know him, but he's not a little child.
Uh-huh.
Oh, hello. I don't have... I'm sorry. But you've come up to me, so I have to give you something. Do not disappear! Do not fucking disappear! Goddammit! That's my life now. Cool. Great. Fuck.
It's gonna take me a week to be able to get that.
Like, oh, you unlocked the thing! New story quest! Cinema roll's missing. It's like, wait, no! I gotta give you your shit!
But I guess I have to research to figure it out. Huh?
Cinema roll vanished. He gone. Well, if you're not careful, you're gonna topple that and you're gonna be real sad.
Excuse me, man. Did you just curse while playing Hello Kitty Island Adventure? That is so terrible. How could you? How could you defile the good thing? Excuse me. You said fuck. I'm like, excuse you. How dare you say such a word? We are playing a Hello Kitty game. Excuse me.
Motherfucker.
Can you do it again?
I'll do it as much as I fucking want. Yeah. I'm being pulled away to chore stuff. I'm back. It's been several hours later. Time for play. Well, that's her dad. Okay. Fix the bridge. Cinnamoroll's now missing. Well enough, we have to take a selfie. There we go. Okay, and then... Huh? What was that? Hmm. Yes, puppy. Yes, the puppy. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Hmm. This works, I'm gonna be so mad. Fuck. Okay. It's fine. That's what I wanted to make. That's fine. Hey, buddy. Buddy? Mm. Uh-huh. Is that a cinema roll just now? Isn't he missing? I'd say yes, but... Off we go. Oh, that's why that. Okay. Good door. Everyone but Mel at the comedy club? And I guess also, I'm not close to being able to do that. You here today? Are you not here? Oh, they are. Do I have to wait till I can do a quest for you before you decide to do that? Who dat? Oh! Fluffy? She kidnapped Winnie the Pooh. Okay, I need to get used to the bathroom. Actually, I'll be back. Hopefully. I've returned from the bathroom. I have no idea if the game paused or not. Let me see something. The cinnamon roll and nugget on neither shit still. Funnily enough. Yeah, so for now, let's do the other thing. We'll get back to this later. It took me all night, but I finally finished my project. Follow me. Huh? Do you think she'll like it? Now, small gift, big smile. It's just a space just for her. How the fuck? I did my best, but it just feels like we needed a little more. My sweet piano is my best friend. She deserves the whole world. Maybe a building to herself, not a. I don't know. I'm a little bit tired, but I could make something else. Just a small gift. Could you bring me some gift boxes? I mean, sure, but how the fuck do you do this? How many gift boxes do you need? Oh. It's me. Some. This reminds me, I gotta do my Duolingo lesson today. Where are you going?
You brought the gift boxes! Now let me just combine all of these into the perfect welcoming gift. It'll represent each area of this park and all the potential of Friendship Island. It'll be filled with all the love and care and...
Are you okay?
Oh no, I tripped and crushed out the boxing!
Damn it!
My perfect present for my sweet piano. It's ruined. My melody? Did you stay up all night working in your store for my sweet piano? I should have tried harder. Look what I did. That simple shop expansion isn't enough for my best friend. My sweet piano is your best friend. When you have a true friend, the greatest joy is just being together. You're already giving my sweet piano the best gift ever. It's you! Yeah. You really think so, Hello Kitty? I do. I cherish spending time with all my friends. My sweet piano is gonna be so happy just to see you. You're right. I'm gonna write back to her right now and invite her to Friendship Island. Would you give this letter to Cinnamon Roll?
Oh no, of course. The problem is Cinnamon Roll has to now exist.
He doesn't.
Because he's missing! And that's neither here nor there. I need to do things. So I need to give you a shit ton of these. Oh my god, that worked. Okay, cool. I need to figure out how to make a cinnamon roll. I don't know how. I just know I need cinnamon. My brain's saying maybe cream for frosting? Fuck. That's not it. Maybe that? That's a snowsicle. I'm not ready to look it up yet. Never mind. My leg's acting like I've wounded it. It hurts. Fuck moon cheese. I need candy clown and cinnamon. So, right track. Yeah. Oh. Can't do that. Gotta find cinnamon roll. Can you give this letter to cinnamon roll? Shit. Ooh, you came just in time. I haven't been able to gather a crowd for a while now. It's because they're being scared away by what? Well, let me just show you. Follow me outside. My cinnamon roll missing now. Hello, is anyone out there? Fuck. Cinnamon roll, are you stuck in there? See, it's a haunted mailbox and it's scaring away all my customers. It's not haunted, it's cinnamon. Are you stuck in the mailbox or in, like, hell? Oh, he must have got stuck in the mailbox. Let's help him out. Cinnamon roll, what can you do to help? I was making a delivery when the mailbox trapped me inside. I only had my mailbox key I could get out, but I left it on the plane. Oh, fuck. Unfortunately, I left the plane on autopilot. Those Bobby guys help? Oh, the Knolls, that's a great idea. Thanks, we'll talk to them right now. They can't fly up there on their own. But with this special hat, they should be able to take you to the plane. Take us to the plane? The fuck you mean take us to the plane? Give the hat to the Gnoll by the mailbox at the resort plaza. They should be able to take you there. When you get to the plane, check under the seat in the far back of the plane. Who? Okay. Holy shit. What do you mean, check in the plane? The fuck you mean, check in the plane? Well, he needs the propeller hat. How else is he gonna fly? This game is so fucking stupid sometimes. The fuck you mean take us to the what the fuck? How is this is the plane just still going? How the fuck are we back here? Oh, so we can do the mini game again. Is it just flying around the island? What's the lore of this? Can I do that again? This is so weird. It's like, no, you can just go back here with all your shit. And just hop out of the plane again. How far can I drift? Hold on, new question. Let's find out the fun way. No, can't do that? Okay. What happens if we miss one? Is the plane just stuck on the island? There you go. I have mail for you, actually. Wow, it actually worked, and you got the mailbox key? What the fuck you mean by wait, it actually worked? What a relief, it was so cramped in there. Thank you so much for freeing me. Hold the fuck up. First of all, I have things for you. Second of all, I'm so happy that my Melody and my sweet piano are finally gonna be together again. I can deliver this letter so quickly you won't even notice I'm gone. See, did you miss me? Did you really deliver it? Is that a trick Poron taught me? My sweet piano says she's packing her bags. She should be here tomorrow. Will she? On your way. I don't think I got any more quests for now. So I guess, once I quit the game, I'll just stop for now. Because, folding took hours and now Lauren's probably asleep and can't really play together to do that other thing, and that's fine. Bye for now.